Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 26th of May. And first of all, national news. US dollars worth 5.6 crore seized from passengers at Mumbai airport. Indian Railways to launch Shri Ramayana Yatra train on June 21st. Yasin Malik, inmate of jail number 7 in Tihar, to be kept under max security. India to continue buying Russian oil, discount to be finalized. Everyone has to think about themselves. Kapil Sibal on quitting Congress. Cabinet cleared sale of government's 29.58% stake in Hindustan Zinc Limited. Terrorist Yasin Malik gets life sentence in terror funding case. And now some international news. Russia to repay foreign debt and rebels after US ends exemption. US tourist left stunned after being charged nearly 50,000 for snack and drinks in Greece. Texas school firing 199th mass shooting in first 5 months of 2022. 19 students were among 21 people killed in Texas school shooting. Sweden not involved in terror funding activities, PM Anderson. Russia eased citizenship rules for southern Ukrainians. And now some sports news. ICC Test rankings: Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Ravichandran, Ashwin maintain their top 10 positions. Praggnanandhaa, Indian chess grandmaster, shocks Anish Giri to set up Chessable Masters final with Ding Liren. Ramanathan entered French Open round 2 with partner Hunter Reese. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.